Ho, 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 ho. Hi, friends. It's your old pal singing Santa. Today we're going to be reading a really fun story called The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer. And look, there he is right there. Let's go on a reading adventure together. The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer worked up in Santa's shop, helping the elves do their Christmas job, building the toys and singing songs of joy as they wrapped all the presents for every girl and boy. The Itsy Bitsy Reindeer was full of Christmas cheer. Down came the snow on the best night of the year. Out came Saint Nick, who loaded up the sleigh, and the Itsy Bitsy Reindeer sang, "Santa's on his way." Isn't that a fun little story? I love the reindeer. Have you ever seen a reindeer in real life? Oh, they're really big, actually. They're usually not small. You'll be amazed when you see one how big it is. Well, I want to thank you so much for reading with me again. My name is Singing Santa. We celebrate Christmas every day of the week on this channel, year-round. So if you enjoy Christmas stories or Christmas songs, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. Subscribe now. It's free. Ho, 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 ho.